Welcome back, friends. Let's just start here. Are you tired? Not the I need a nap tired, but existentially exhausted? Tired of waking up, checking your phone, and immediately wishing you hadn't? Doom scrolling until you fall asleep because it's your only way out of the anxiety attack? Tired of feeling like every single day is some new absurd attack on basic decency? Yeah, me too. And if you're the kind of person who has had to curate your timeline, distance yourself from people you love, or sit quietly at family gatherings while someone says something wildly unhinged, if you're a blue dot in a red state, if you've been carrying that tight, buzzing anxiety in your chest like it's your full-time job, you are not alone, my friend. Seriously, pause for a second. Go drink some water. Touch some grass. I'll wait. Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to take all of that frustration, that grief, that what the actual hell is happening energy, and we're going to do something with it, because I made something just for you. Introducing the Fearless 26 collection. This is a collection of 6 candles, created very intentionally for this exact moment. Not just to smell good, although they absolutely do, but to help you decompress, ground yourself, feel a little less alone, and maybe, just maybe, reclaim a tiny bit of control. Every candle comes in a white tin, chosen intentionally. White represents a blank slate, endless possibility, and it is a powerhouse color for amplifying magic when you need it most. Each candle is hand-poured with soy wax and essential oils, so they burn clean. No soot, no headaches, no regrets. They each last around 35 hours, so they'll be with you through a lot of news cycles. And every single one has a crackling wood wick, because you can't burn the whole thing to the ground without first lighting a match. Let's get into the lineup. First up, we have Abolish Ice. This one is cedar, lavender, sandalwood, and vetiver. This candle smells like a big, warm, cashmere-wrapped hug, the kind you desperately need when the world feels like it's closing in. It smells like solidarity. It smells like pretty good trouble. Like cashmere, because immigrants are what makes America great, and no one can be illegal on stolen land. I felt this candle was essential in 2026, when American cities are under active attack by their own federal government. I wanted to create something that felt like a warm embrace to Minneapolis, especially in the wake of the murders of Renee Good and Alex Preddy. The people of Minneapolis have shown us all what it looks like to face an invasion with grace, strength, and unshakable dignity. This candle is for them. And for you, when you need to remember that resistance is an act of love. Big Dad Energy. Lace up your New Balance, snap the tongs. Big Dad Energy is here. This one has lemongrass, lime, basil, cedarwood, and vetiver. It's bright, it's clean, it's steady. This is the candle you light when you feel overwhelmed and need someone, anyone, to say, hey, I've got this. Go sit down, champ. This is emotional support in candle form. This candle has your back through thick and thin, with all of the dad jokes along the way. It's for the days when you just don't have the spoons, when you need someone steady and warm in your corner who handles things without making a big deal out of it. It's stability, it's reassurance. It has that grounded, dependable energy we've all been craving. Returning from the 2024 collection, this candle was born from watching Tim Walz become America's dad, the one we didn't know we needed. Dependable, kind, shows up, supports his community. This candle was created to honor that energy because right now, we could all use a little bit more of it. Childless Cat Lady. Ah yes, the icon, the legend. This one is sweet orange, lemongrass, sandalwood, bergamot, and palmarosa. Do you smell that? That's disposable income. ample free time, and a hint of hope. No need to be childless, have cats, or even be a lady to burn this one. It belongs to everyone who has ever been dismissed, underestimated, or told their choices aren't valid. This candle is joy. It's rebellion. It's reclaiming the narrative. You don't need to justify your life to anyone. This was the best-selling candle in the 2024 collection, and it is back. It was created specifically to troll J.D. Vance, and it is one of the most beautiful smelling candles that we have ever made. It smells like smashing the patriarchy and urging your senators to vote no on the SAVE Act. It might just be your new signature scent. Next up, we have Grief Pants. This one is new, and she's a little complicated. Copaiba, juniper, cedarwood, vanilla, bergamot, and amber. Oh, she's so good. She's a little bougie. It definitely thinks it's better than you. It smells like climbing the corporate ladder in a company that believes you belong in the kitchen and the delivery room. It smells like saying the quiet part out loud in a weird interview with Nicki Minaj. This candle might just be parodied by drag queens everywhere, and honestly, it should be. So good. New to the collection and inspired by a woman whose grift smells infinitely worse than this candle does. This candle is an entire mood. And that mood is most definitely not grieving your recently deceased husband. It's wearing tight leather pants to a celebration of life. Light this one when you need to laugh so you don't cry. Next up, we have J.D. Vance's couch. No, not like that. This one is cedarwood, patchouli, frankincense, cinnamon, and clove. Also so good. It's nostalgic, a little spicy, slightly chaotic, like misogyny and a little disappointment. It's very awkward in social settings, deeply uncomfortable. It will not meet your eyes. This candle is humor as survival. Because sometimes, the only way through all of this is to laugh at how absolutely ridiculous it is. Returning from the 2024 collection, this one was actually created by your requests. You wanted a patchouli-forward candle, and we delivered. What I love about this scent is how it evokes something warm underneath all of the awkwardness. The nostalgia of a couch in your grandparents' basement, gathered with your favorite cousins during the holidays. You know, before everything got so complicated. You deserve that memory. You deserve this candle. Lastly, we have Just So Weird. Because it is. This one is pine, peppermint, lavender, lemon, and cedar. Oh, because it's just so weird how we took a handful of essential oils and made them smell like you're standing at the wooded edge of a lake in Minnesota. Your cottage just steps behind you. The water perfectly still. This is the last returning candle from 2024, and honestly, I almost renamed this one Minnesota Nice. Let me know in the comments if you think that that is a better fit. This candle exists because Tim Walz had the audacity to say out loud on a national stage that MAGA is just weird. You know? He wasn't wrong, and I ran with it. And this candle smells so good, I couldn't bear to let it go. For real. Now, you may be asking yourself, why does this collection matter? This isn't just about candles. This is about creating small, intentional moments where you can breathe, process, laugh, feel grounded again, possibly for the first time in a long time. Because you can't fight, advocate, or even function if you are completely burned out. And because sometimes we have to laugh or else we'll cry. This collection is here to help keep going. Pre-orders for the Fearless 26 collection are open now. The collection goes live Tuesday, March 3rd, the start of election season, and what was historically Super Tuesday. I chose that date with intention, because we are not done fighting. We're just getting started. Last week we covered Ostara, the spring equinox, and gave you some ways to celebrate it. And today, I want to hear from you. Which Fearless 26 candle are you most excited about? Drop it in the comments. I know which ones are selling fast. Like and subscribe if you're excited for this collection. Go drink some more water, touch some more grass, and meet me back here this evening for a primal scream. Because sometimes that's exactly what we need. I'll see you next week. As always, every accusation is a confession. Free Palestine. Protect the First Amendment. Justice for Casey Goodson Jr. And do not let up on the Epstein files. Survivors deserve justice and accountability. Until next time.